Welcome to this video tutorial. We are moving forward here in the building block. When you are working with Publisher, you will be able to build so many aesthetic pages like newspaper, publication design, newsletter, and others. So these are the parts that you can get from the inbuilt publication on this Microsoft Publisher. So let's go through the page parts. Now you can decide to pick from the header. If you need any header design, you can select from here from this range, and the sidebar you can pick from any of these sidebar design. All you need to do is to just click and move forward. So now I'm going to click from the heading. I'm going to select this from the heading. So this is the heading I'll be putting on this page, and I would like also to pick from the code. So I'm going to select this and drag it here. So I would also like to pick from the story. So I'm going to select this and drag it here. So let's move down a little bit and drag it here. Good. So I can decide to take from the story as well. I'm taking this, so I'm taking it here. All I need to do is to click inside the text, change the title, put some text here, do the same thing here, and do the same thing for here, and change the title if necessary. Now moving forward to the calendar, I'm going to need a blank page to do that. If I need to insert calendar on my publication, all I need to do is to come here, select from the list of the calendar I have for this month, and the design we have failure design. If I'm okay with any of the design, I'm going to select. So if I need for the next month, I'm going to select. So let's select one for this month and move it a little bit up. Then we come here to select calendar for the next month. So I'm picking this design for the next month. So I'm going to move it a little bit downward. You can reduce the size of it by click and drag from any of the angle. So it is advisable you click and drag from this point or this point or this point or this point in order to have accurate reshaping style. Now moving forward, so here I'm going to go to more calendar. So what if I want the whole calendar for a whole year, or for a particular month? So I'm going to come here to change the month, and if I need it for 2027, I'm going to do it here. I've set the calendar month. Then the next thing to do is to check from the list of the designed calendar and double click on it, and it will display on the screen just like this. So if we need a calendar for a full year, I'm going to show you that. So this is become more jam-packed. I think we need to reduce the size. So all you need to do is to highlight everything, click and drag across the face, reduce the font size. Yes, so this is more, this is okay. Now going back to the page design, oh, going back to the insert, we've talked about the calendar and the menu for calendars from the library. So these are the list of calendars you can select from. In the next in the upcoming video, I'll be showing you how we can select our calendar of a year or a particular month from one month to another month. Now let's move forward. Now moving forward, we have the borders and the accents. So if you need to style this page with border. All you need to do, let's create an empty page to do that. Insert the blank page. Good. Then I need a border. All you need to do is to click, move it to the top. You can increase it. So this is a design for the border, and you can choose another border size. You can move it to the down of the page, to the bottom of the page, to create another border style. You can reduce it. Good. Now you can get more border and accent through here. So these are the menu for border. You can decide to use this. All you need to do, click, then insert, and click and drag to cover the whole page if you want to use it for. So if you are okay like this, you can leave it like this and move forward. Advertisement, you can get a quick art design of your desire. It can be 100% over, it can be a free over. So if you are okay with any of the design, instead of designing it yourself, you can just come and click it here, then you take it to where you want, or you change the text. Just click and click inside to change the text to whatever text you want. So now moving forward, we have the draw text box is there already. The business information, publisher allow user to input some information about the business. So when you are working with any of the publication, the system will insert the information you've already put here into necessary places. So let's go into the business. So these are the information on the system. All you need to do is to click to edit the business information. You need to change the name. So I'm going to change the name to Evlatech. Then the title, the position of this person creating this. This person can be the manager. And the business name, good. The business name will be the Evlatech. And I that I'm doing this, I'm going to put my name there. So I'm going to put my name there as Ibrahim. So I'm the manager, and these are the address, the primary address. So the address, the primary address, this is the first one. Now I'm going to put Lagos. So I'm going to put Nigeria. So I don't need other line address. I'll just delete it. Good. Then the phone number, I'll change the phone number 234. So this is the phone number. I don't have fast number, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to input the name, the email to be Evlatech at Ibrahim.com, or let's say Ibrahim at Evlatech.com.ng. Now I can add the business logo here by click on this to add the logo, and I'll select where the logo is, and I'll put the logo. So I can remove it, I can change it. And business, I can make it as, I can change the name to Evlatech manager address. So all you need to do is to click OK. So here I have it, can be updated anytime. I can edit it, I can delete it, and if it's okay, so I'm going to leave it there. So when you click on update publication, if there is any place to insert that business information, automatically the system will input that information I just put now. Then we have the word art. So we can decide to use any of these design word art. Now this is the menu for the word art. So the word art can be noise heading and okay. So here is the word art. You can edit it, you can increase it here. You can use this to change the style, the shape, and these are the menu to do that. We have the edit text. To edit this text, all you need to do is to click here and edit the text. And if you want to give spacing, all you need to do is come here and adjust the spacing. And you can see as I'm clicking it, it's adjusting. Now the alignment is in center. If you want to make it to be left align, it's going to be left align. If you want it to be center, you select the center from there. You can change the word art style from here, and you can change the shape from here, and you can change the fill color to any of these color of the choice, and this is the outline color. And change it as well. So you can wrap the text to be behind the text or through the text, none, or edit the wrap text option. You can send it forward or bring it backward if you have multiple text on this page. Now moving forward to the headers and footer and the page number, we can have header and footer. All you need to do is click on the header, input the header you want to use, and if you want to add the date to it, you click on insert date. If you want to add time, you click on insert time. The same thing goes for the footer. If you want to insert the footer, you do the same thing. So when you are done, you close the master page. So coming back here to the footer to do the same thing, you put in the information. If you want information to be displayed on the footer, you do the same thing. The footer as well, we can decide to insert the date, insert the time. So the show header and footer menu you can see, but you just click on it, it will switch. If you want to see the header, you click on it. If you want to see the footer, you do the same thing. If you are okay, just click close. Then while we proceed, the same thing goes for the page number. You can decide to put the page number. So all you need to do is to select your outline area of the page number. Then you can format the page number style. So you can decide to use this Roman figure, or use ABC or first, second, third, or use word first, second, third. And this session can start. We are in page 8 as well. So you can start from here, continue from the previous section in the case you have section on your publication. So thank you, and see you in the next video tutorial where we'll be looking at the page design.